I gained 257,000 subscribers in just 1 month by filming simple videos and using the right artificial intelligence tools. In this video, I'll show you exactly which tools I used and how you can do the same. How I make realistic viral short videos and got tens of millions of views. My personal method that helped me monetize channels with no actors, no cameras, and no voices. Take a look at this channel. The creator makes content featuring a cute monkey, and with just 35 videos, they reached 1 million subscribers. We're going to create similar videos. Watch until the end to see how I do it. First, we'll come up with an idea and generate images for our animation. Since we already have a concept, the adventure of a cute little monkey, I'll be using a free site called PicLumen to create the images. On this platform, you can make any type of image from illustrated graphics to realistic styles. I personally use this site to create visuals for my videos. Click Generate for free, register on the site, and you'll be taken to the main page where you can view example works. As you can see, there are many graphic styles here that might be useful. You can look through the images and even use the same prompts the creators used. Now go to the Create section and click on it. Here we need to set up the generator for the best results. But before configuring it, let's go to ChatGPT or DeepSeek. If you need help coming up with a story, just type your request there and the assistant will generate one for you. I already have a script, so now we need prompts to generate our images. Type the following. Write me a prompt for creating an image. A cute little monkey with a slightly orange color, with human hands and feet, looking at an ice cream display in a store. Realistic graphics. Copy the prompt and go back to PicLumen. Paste it into the prompt box. And now let's configure the generator properly for better results. First, choose the model. There are many interesting ones here, but we need PicLumen Art V1, which gives a realistic and cute style. Then select the size. We're making a shorts video, so choose 9:16. Also, set the generation count to 2 so you get 2 images at once. Leave the rest of the settings as they are, we don't need them. Click Generate and wait just 15 to 20 seconds. PicLumen works very quickly. And just look at the images we got. They look high quality and super cute. Exactly what we need. Let's move on. We write a new prompt to ChatGPT for our next image. Continue writing the prompt with the same monkey. She has ice cream in her hand and is running down the street with the store where she stole the ice cream behind her. We wait for ChatGPT to write a new prompt, copy it, and go back to PicLumen. Paste the prompt, don't change anything, and click Generate. The images come out really cool. We continue generating images in chronological order for our storyline. Use key phrases like in my example when asking ChatGPT. The same monkey is standing on the corner of the house eating this ice cream, and in the distance behind her is a man walking. My storyline is about a cute monkey who stole ice cream from a store and ran away. But she got caught and taken into the sewer so she wouldn't do it again. Then she floated to the shore and met a bear, who later helped her get the ice cream by dealing with all her enemies. I came up with this plot myself. Honestly, it's not that hard. Get inspired by the creator I showed earlier, come up with something original or similar, or just ask ChatGPT. And most importantly, to make sure the monkey stays the same throughout your video, tell ChatGPT to describe the same monkey in each prompt. In my case, it's a slightly orange, cute monkey with human-like hands and feet. Try not to write long prompts, as that might confuse the AI and generate something you don't want. From my example prompts, you'll understand what keywords and tips to use. For example, you can specify the monkey's species, color, and face. PicLumen is smart and will generate a similar character. Remember, even if something doesn't turn out right, you can always rewrite the prompt and generate it again. No problem. For a good story, you'll need between 12 and 20 images, depending on how long you want the video to be. I'm almost done. As you can see, I now write the prompts myself because ChatGPT often adds too much unnecessary detail. PicLumen doesn't need that. You just need to briefly describe the characters, where they are, and what they're doing, and I get exactly the images I want. So don't stress over prompts, it's all pretty easy. I'm done. Here are all the images I generated. The prompts were short, if you noticed. In the final animation, the monkey gets her reward and eats her ice cream while being protected by the bear. I ended up with around 12 images. That's more than enough for a full shorts animation. You can generate more or fewer if you want. Don't forget to download all the images and save them in a separate folder. For creating images, I personally recommend using PicLumen. It's one of the most beginner-friendly platforms I've come across. No complicated settings, no confusing menus. Just enter your prompt, choose a style, and you're ready to go. Whether you're looking for a cartoon-style image, a more realistic vibe, or even something cinematic, PicLumen delivers really solid results. And what I really like is that the generation process is super fast. It usually takes just a few seconds, and boom, your visuals are ready. You've already seen with your own eyes the kind of quality it can produce. It's more than enough for animated shorts, thumbnails, storyboards, or even full creative videos. On top of that, PicLumen also gives you free points when you complete small tasks, things like verifying your email, joining their Discord, or sharing a project. These bonus points are great if you're just getting started and want to experiment without spending money. So give it a try, the link is right in the description. You might be surprised by what you can create with just a few words and a bit of creativity. Now we move on to step 3, animating your images. We'll be using Kling AI for this, but you can choose any animation platform you prefer. Go to the video section on the left side of the website. That takes us to the page we need. Select Image to Video. This is where we'll upload our images to animate them. Upload your first image. Now we need to write a prompt that describes what will happen in the animation. You don't need to write a long description. 2 short sentences are enough. Too many words might confuse the AI. Write something like, "The monkey takes ice cream from the display case." That's enough. Just describe the action briefly. Next, we need to write a negative prompt. This tells the AI what we don't want to see in the animation. I wrote, "Blur, extra limbs, color correction, sharpness." Definitely include that to get a cleaner and more realistic animation. For the generation model, choose the one you like. I picked the latest Kling 2.1. Depending on your scene, select the duration. If it's a long scene, go with 10 seconds. If not, choose 5 seconds. Then click Generate and wait about 2 to 3 minutes. Our first animation is ready. Let's take a look. Wow, the quality is great and the style is exactly what we wanted. PicLumen worked perfectly with the images, and the animation looks amazing. And as you noticed, the video already comes with sound, which is a nice bonus. Great. Let's move on. I upload the second image and type, "A monkey is running down the street with ice cream in its hands." This time I select 10 seconds so the monkey runs for longer. I don't change anything else. Click Generate. Look how cool that looks. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments. Continue uploading your images in chronological order, writing short prompts for each one. Remember, your story should be interesting and emotional so that viewers stay engaged and don't skip through. Hook them in, and you'll get lots of views. I'm showing you my process. This is how I built a large audience on my YouTube Shorts channel. Your storyline should be dramatic, dynamic, and high quality. Keep that in mind if you want to grow your audience. Look at the animations I'm getting. Be sure to share your results in the comments too. I'm almost done. I just have 2 animations left to make. I write, "A man fights with a bear. The bear knocks him down onto the asphalt." Haha, yes, there's even a fight scene. It turned out really epic. And finally, I upload my last image. I wrote, "The monkey eats ice cream and is happy. Behind him stands a bear and looks around." That's my happy ending. The monkey got what she wanted with the help of the bear. It looks great. Don't forget to download all your animations and save them in a separate folder for convenience. I've also put together a detailed prompt just for you, filled with all the tips and tricks, from generating images to fully animating them. It includes everything I personally used while creating my video step by step. Whether you're just starting out or already familiar with AI tools, this will help you avoid mistakes and get better results faster. Inside the prompt, you'll find the exact keywords, character descriptions, and instructions that I applied in my own project. You can follow the same structure or use it as inspiration to create your own unique characters and scenes. It's designed to save you time and guide you in writing proper text prompts that deliver high-quality visuals. The link to the full prompt is in the description below. Check it out and feel free to use it in your own creative process. Now we need sounds for editing things like footsteps, laughter, eating, water sounds, crying, and human voices. For this, we'll be using a free website called Pixabay, which legally allows you to use sounds for video content, even for commercial projects. Once you're on the site, go to the sound effects section and type in the type of sounds you need. For example, footsteps, crying, laughter, eating, or any ambient noises that fit your scene. Download everything you need, including background music. Just make sure to choose instrumental tracks, ideally something emotional or even slightly sad, to help create a deeper atmosphere and make your video feel more immersive. The right sound can make a huge difference in how your audience connects with the story, so don't skip this part. Now we move on to step 5, video editing. Choose absolutely any video editor, like Premiere Pro or CapCut, whatever is more convenient for you. Create a new project, And now we'll begin combining all our animations into a full video. Drag all the videos and files into the project. Now place the animations in chronological order. My video will turn out quite long, but I'll also be trimming unnecessary fragments for a cleaner result. Once everything is in place, cut out the moments that don't look great. Maybe there's a glitch or a scene that's not very interesting or too long. Trim where needed so that the animation looks awesome. Friends, as I've mentioned in my previous videos, I want to give you some of my personal tips that helped me achieve results. Consistency in content, the discipline of posting videos regularly. That's what helped me personally reach 200,000 subscribers. Always improve your content. If you made a video about a monkey and you think it's good, the next one should be even better. Learn from competitors and then create your own. It really helps. Third, emotions. Try to make your story very dramatic and even sad, so the viewer feels something. Trust me, I know what I'm talking about. Fourth, the ability to analyze and communicate with your audience, and to study your channel's analytics. All these things helped me reach this level. Try to apply this and just keep uploading content. Be creative, and you will succeed. And share your results with me. I'll reply to all your questions in the comments. In the meantime, I'm almost done. Now I just need to work on the audio, add music and a few sound effects. You don't have to add sounds to every scene. This is a more emotional video with music. Add sound effects wherever it feels right, but don't overdo it. At the end, I'll add a short quote on a black background to give the video a deeper meaning. You can do the same. It adds impact and makes the viewer think. Once you're done, click export and render your video. Let's see how it turned out. Guys, this is really cool. What do you think? I personally liked it a lot. I even felt a little emotional. Share your thoughts in the comments. We're almost done. Now let's optimize the channel and talk about monetization. This is my channel. Unfortunately, I won't be able to show it to you fully for obvious reasons. Right now, I'll show you how to quickly optimize your channel and start uploading your videos. In the bottom left, click on Settings, then go to the Channel section. I used to have tags here, but I removed them just to show you which ones I personally use. Enter Cute Story Monkey, Adventure, Monkey Video. You can also add a few more if you want. Save your changes, and that's it. Now your channel is optimized and ready for uploads. You might be asking, how can you make money with a channel like this? In addition to monetization from views, there are plenty of other ways to earn. For example, you can collaborate with companies by promoting their products or services. That can be a great source of income if you have an engaged audience. You can also earn from affiliate links, where you receive a commission from each sale. And one of the best ways to bring in viewers is through shorts content. It works really well for building an audience fast. So, we've gone through the entire process from the very first idea to the final export. I showed you step by step how I personally create videos using AI, starting with generating characters, building stories, animating scenes, adding sound effects, editing everything together, and finally optimizing the channel to prepare for monetization. These are the exact steps that helped me grow my channel from 0 to over 257,000 subscribers in just 1 month. And I did it using only AI tools, no cameras, no actors, and no expensive equipment. The most important part? Consistency and creativity. You have to stay disciplined, keep posting, and always look for ways to improve your content. Don't just repeat the same idea, evolve it. Learn from what's already working, and then add your own unique spin. Make your audience feel something, surprise them, move them, make them curious. You don't need to be a professional editor or an artist. All you need is a clear vision and the willingness to learn. Everything I shared in this video is based on my real experience. If you follow the same process, and if you stay patient and consistent, you will get results. I hope this video gave you inspiration, clarity, and a practical roadmap for getting started. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I answer everyone personally, and I'm always happy to help. Let me know how your journey's going, and if this video helped you, give it a like, share it with a friend, and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next tutorials. I'll keep testing new strategies and tools, and I'll keep showing you what works. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now. Create something today. Your success starts with your next upload. Recommendations to all.